Let's start. We're starting with a hoop, fabric and transfer. Loosen up your tightening screw and you have your inner hoop and outer hoop. Now we're placing inner hoop on the table, fabric over it, and let's see, the fabric has a grid, so make sure one of the threads is vertical and one is horizontal. It will be easier to transfer and embroider the design. So we're placing fabric in a hoop and the outer hoop. Leave at least 1-2 centimeters. Now we tighten the screw a little and then we're pulling the fabric, moving the hoop, and we're pulling from different sides. You can see fabric looks more smooth. Now we tighten the screw again, like as much as you can. Pull fabric one more time to make sure you have the tension, good tension. It should be a drum-tied fabric. Okay, now we need to trim the excess of fabric so it won't get in our way. Again, like leave about 1-2 centimeters on the sides. We can also trim the edges. They don't help when you embroider. You don't need those. I use the fabric leftovers to make pincushions. Okay, now we're ready to transfer. We have drum-tied fabric. So for transfer, we already discussed that you can use a heat erasable pen or usual pencil, or you can use water-soluble pen, whatever you have at home. I will use friction pen, and I usually use my iPad to transfer. I have the design here. I have the guided access turned on, so the picture won't move. Sometimes it's the time of the day when you can't see like through the fabric. You see nothing, here's the picture. So in this case you can close yourself from the sun and you will see through the fabric. Hope it makes sense. The same works not with the iPad. You can just print your design, well, my design or your design, and yeah, I can see better without clothing the light. So yeah, I will trace from this paper. The grid is going vertical and horizontal, so my vertical lines will be going the same, like on fabric. Okay, so I will use my life hack to see it better. Again, the light method is one of the easiest methods to transfer. It doesn't require any additional devices. It's just paper, pencil, and you. Great, now we have the design. You can stitch or holding hoop like this, but usually you want to do like this. So we loosen up, tighten and screw. Oh, and you can see how loose fabric looks. Then we flip the fabric over and place it back. Now tighten the screw and pull fabric from all sides. I transferred design for a 6-inch hoop. This is a 8-inch hoop because I'm going to film this on a hoop stand, so it's a little bigger. Make transfer and I'll see you in the next video.